He has openly called for genocide in the Ukraine multiple times. Now let's talk about some real bastards. Alexander Dugin. Many of you may know about Alexander Dugin. He's been overhyped, shall we say, but he is well known as he is essentially one of the ideological architects of Putinism. And also calls himself, he uses the Chaos Star from Chaos Magick as his logo, but he is the guy behind the upswing of basically the alt-right, neo-fascism, and certainly Putinism, or Ruskism, as it is sometimes called, or Zism in America. Man, this guy's a menace. So Putin, I was saying real quick, Dugin is the guy that orchestrated the annexation of Crimea in 2014. One of the major things, one of the major players in that. He has openly called for genocide in the Ukraine multiple times. He is an occultist. He uses the Chaos Star as his symbol, and he is often referred to as Putin's Rasputin. You need to understand Russia. You need to understand that Putin's doctrine is obviously Russia's doctrine is no longer Soviet communism. It is Dugin's weird blend of traditionalism and fascism. Basically, what he's saying is that Putinism has won in the US. What is Putinism? Putinism is a veneer of traditionalism on top of autocracy. That's basically what it is. And it's very strange because they took so many, and particularly Dugin. Dugin raided all these occult traditionalist ideas from like Rene Guénon, Julius Evola, merged them with the Russian Orthodox Church, and created this thing called the Fourth Political Theory, which is allegedly a new political philosophy that supersedes fascism, communism, and liberalism, liberal democracy. Of course, actual political philosophers considered it intellectually incoherent, which I've read the Fourth Political Theory. It is definitely incoherent because his vision of the world is, as he says it, a grand apocalyptic conflict between the evil angels of the East and the good angels of the West. So, yes, when schizo posters get government control. But Putinism has won in America. Think about that.